The next exercise is accorder. So here we are given some sentences with the adjective and the noun in the brackets. So we are going to write these adjectives and nouns in accordance with the subject and whether it is singular or plural. So in accordance with the subject and the number, we are going to write the corresponding adjective and the noun. So let us begin with our first sentence. Il aime les, he likes the. So now it is in the plural form. So we need to write the adjective and the noun in the plural form. So the adjective is bon and the plural for that is bon. And since it is masculine, il, it is the same. Next, our noun is hotel. So how would you write hotel in the plural form? It is hotel. So il aime les bons hôtels. So this is how we write it. So moving on to the next sentence. Il aime les grands vins. So similar to that, here also masculine. So because the noun here is vin and vin is masculine, so grand. It comes with an S and vin also comes with an S. So in the first sentence also, hotel is masculine, so bon becomes B-O-N-S. So moving on to the next sentence, elle aime les. So the adjective is bon and the noun is comédie. So now let us write the adjective in the plural form. We write bon. However, our noun here, comédie, is in the feminine form. So it becomes bon. Why did we write this spelling here? Because the following noun is in the feminine. And to indicate it is plural, we include an S. So this is how we write the corresponding adjective and noun. Now the next sentence. Nous aimons les politiques and film. So here there is a slight change. So in this case, the noun would come before the adjective. So the noun is film. It is masculine. In the plural, we write it as film. And politique. So this will also come in the plural form. Nous aimons les films politiques. Now moving on to the last sentence. Il lit les, and the two words are journal and international. So he reads the. Let us replace this with journal. What is the plural form for journal? It is journal, journal, and the next word is international. So this is the plural form of journal and this is the plural form of international. So il lit les journaux internationaux. So we have written all these adjectives and nouns corresponding for that particular number and gender. So lay. So if you notice, all the sentences ended with lay. So we had to write everything in the plural form. And then we have our adjective. The adjective should be written in the plural form. And if it is masculine, we need to add an S. If it is feminine, we need to write the corresponding plural form. So we will learn more about the masculine and feminine plural forms of the adjectives in the upcoming classes.